Geoffrey Hinton, the man who invented modern AI, just said something that should terrify you. He warned that AI could become more intelligent than humans within 5 years. That's not a sci-fi fantasy. It's the urgent reality driving every Fortune 500 company. Every major corporation is secretly building AI employees right now. This isn't just about automation. It's about creating entire digital workforces. PwC reports 70% of businesses are already piloting or implementing AI. JP Chase is using AI to analyze contracts. That saves 360,000 hours of legal work annually. Goldman Sachs predicts AI could replace 300 million full-time jobs. That's a quarter of the global workforce. This isn't future talk. It's happening today. Large language models like GPT-4 are just the beginning. Companies are developing specialized AIs. These AIs perform specific tasks. They write code. They analyze data. They manage customer service. They even design products. McKinsey & Company projects AI could generate an additional $13 trillion in global economic output by 2030. That's equivalent to adding another China to the world economy. The pressure to adopt AI is immense. Companies that don't will be left behind. This isn't a choice. It's a necessity for survival. The World Economic Forum identifies AI as the top driver of business transformation. But there's a problem. Most companies are approaching this wrong. They are thinking about AI as a tool. A simple efficiency gain. They are not thinking about AI as a workforce. A new type of employee. This limited mindset creates massive blind spots. It leads to fragmented AI initiatives. It results in duplicated efforts. It wastes billions of dollars. And it leaves them vulnerable. The real power of AI isn't in automating single tasks. It's in creating interconnected AI teams. Digital departments. Entire virtual organizations. Imagine an AI marketing team. It researches trends. It crafts campaigns. It optimizes ads. All autonomously. Imagine an AI finance department. It manages budgets. It forecasts revenue. It identifies risks. All in real time. This is what the leading companies are building. They are not just buying off-the-shelf AI. They are engineering custom AI agents. These agents learn. They adapt. They collaborate. They operate 24/7. Without breaks. Without salaries. They integrate seamlessly with human teams. They augment human capabilities. They don't just replace. They elevate. But this also creates a new challenge. How do you manage an AI workforce? How do you onboard them? How do you assign tasks? How do you measure performance? Traditional HR systems are useless. Project management tools fall short. This requires a new paradigm. A new operating system for the digital employee. Gartner predicts that by 2025, 60% of organizations will use AI to manage their AI. It's AI managing AI. This is the secret. The competitive edge. The reason some companies will thrive. Others will perish. The companies winning this race are building comprehensive AI platforms. These platforms orchestrate AI agents. They provide oversight. They ensure alignment with business goals. They handle security. They manage compliance. They are the backbone of the AI-powered enterprise. MIT research shows that companies embracing this holistic approach see 3x higher returns. 3 times the productivity. 3 times the innovation. This isn't just about cutting costs. It's about unlocking exponential growth. It's about achieving capabilities never before possible. The window of opportunity is closing. Early adopters are gaining an insurmountable lead. The longer you wait, the harder it becomes. This isn't just a technology trend. It's a fundamental shift in how work gets done. It's the dawn of the AI employee. It's the future of work. And it's happening now. WorkDecisions AI provides the platform to manage your AI workforce. We help you design. We help you deploy. We help you optimize your digital employees. Our system allows you to create AI teams. Assign them complex projects. Monitor their progress. And integrate them seamlessly with your human teams. We provide the intelligence layer, the orchestration engine, the control center for your AI-powered enterprise. Don't get left behind. Don't let your competitors out-innovate you. The future of your business depends on it. The time to act is now. This isn't just about survival. It's about defining the next era of business. It's about becoming an AI-first organization. It's about seizing the unprecedented opportunities that lie ahead. The biggest companies are already there. You can be too. Explore AI workforce solutions at WorkDecisions AI.com, link in description.